data analysis for business is intelligent. As I said, I will simulate some transaction for a typical shopkeeper for 1 month. For instance, if you can see in my data I have here, this is a typical transaction for one month, and it's running from date 1 January 2026 to allowed date 9 February 2026. So some of the things that were captured in this typical data were the product, what was being sold, how much was in stock in that specific date, or before that transaction was conducted, how many units were sold, what was the unit buying price. Let's say, for instance, if it is 1 kilogram of unga, it was you bought it at 120 and you are selling it at 150, so you roughly there is a 30 shilling as a profit. So this column is unit buying price, this is unit selling price. After having this transaction, how much was left in stock. For instance, you can see in this specific transaction 10 units were sold. Out of 65, then 55 remains. The payment method was cash. There are various payment methods. So from this data, note, we wish to get various business, to answer various business questions. And these questions are the ones that I'm saying you might not be aware of them. You might not be aware if you are not utilizing your data. So tusikue kama vile Kenyatta aliambia watu wa Mombasa, tumekalia gold. So each and every business, for instance, imekalia gold. So using this typical data, we would want to provide 7 typical business questions. The first one is what product is making money? Hapa tusiseme bora nauza. Yes, unauza, but from what product? So the next question is which product should I restock first? The next question, which day? Which day do I sell more? Which day do I sell more? The next question that I would want us to look at is am I really making profit? Am I making profit? The other question that I would want us to look at, which product are giving I would want us to answer this question. Are there products making losses without my knowledge? The other question that we can answer with this data is which products it can be one or more deserves more attention. This can be the one that are selling more or the one that are not selling more. What can we do about them? The last question that I would want us to look at there. This is it's good, but you can also look at it, which is the preferred mode of payment. So, and maybe the last question is, what is the trend? What is the revenue trend in general? What is the revenue trend in general? So, from this typical data, we can be able to answer these business questions. So, in the next video, I'm going to provide solutions to these business questions from this data. So stay tuned and like and comment on what you would want us to look next.